Say we're back.
I'm back.
All right. Oops. Okay, salt.
Wee.
Okay, don't stick it in the goo, okay? All right, next we need baking powder. So we're gonna get 2 teaspoons. We're gonna fill this up twice. Okay, 1, put that in. Don't touch the goo. Okay, 1 more time. Okay. Okay. Okay, don't touch the goo. Okay, thank you.
Done.
Yep, we did our baking powder, we did our salt, we need a little bit of baking soda.
Yeah.
Wait, please. We need a little bit of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon. So we're gonna measure it from right here.
I have it.
Okay, that one, put that in, don't touch the goo. All right, now, we need 2/3 of a cup of sugar.
I need that. I do it.
So that's 1/4 of a cup. We're not going to use that one. We're going to use none of those. Oh, you used one in the goo earlier. All right, so we can't use those. We'll go with this Tupperware one.
I do it.
One moment. I'll fill it up and you put it in, okay? So I have a bad habit of just putting everything together because it's faster. And she isn't quite capable of keeping up otherwise. So we're just going to mix it all together and then stir. Butter, we need 1/3 of a cup. That's 1/4 of a cup. That's 1/2 a cup. Where's my 1/3 a cup?
Oh. It's very
Aha.
It's like.
So we're going to need
It's like.
a different dasher.
It's like JoJo.
How is it like JoJo? Uh-oh, I moved the TV.
It's like JoJo. See?
You're silly. All right.
That's JoJo Sierra name.
All right. So, all right, here we go. Trying to get some butter off the butter tray.
We.
Okay.
Much fun playing.
You think so? We're not going to play in it, though. We're going to mix it up, and then we're going to bake it, and then we're going to eat it.
I do it.
All right. Oh, it was a perfect amount on our butter tray. All
I
right.
do it.
All right, scoop all of that out into the bowl.
Okay.
Okay, can you hold that? And it's stuck inside. You got to use one of these devices to reach inside and get it out. Kind of like your spoon does when you're eating. I know butter and sugar creamed together work better, but in this case, this is how we're doing it. Can you get it? Okay. Like that. Can you do that? Yep. Good, good, good. Oh, careful of the bowl. All right. Almost there. Okay. All right.
Done.
All done with that. Okay. Now, what's the next thing we need? Flour and 2 eggs. All right. You want to do the egg?
Yep.
Oh, careful. Don't flip it all over the room. All right. 1 egg. Now we're going to crack the egg like we did the other day. Okay. Use 2 hands to stick it open. Yep. Yeah. Oh, you got a nice crack in your egg. Good. Okay. Use both your thumbs and put it in and peel it apart. Nice. Good job. Okay. No more eggshells. Good job. Okay. All right. Next egg. Ooh, the oven's warm. Okay. Next egg. A little bit harder. There you go. Okay. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Good job. You got it. Okay. Let's make sure the eggshells don't go in. Whoop.
What?
Oh, I see a tiny eggshell. Okay. Let's get it out.
Okay.
Couple tiny eggshells.
Okay. Go on.
You get it? You going fishing for eggshells? So they're really hard to catch because the inside of the egg is slimy. So you kind of scoot them over to the edge of the bowl and then slide them up.
I like eggs.
You like eggs?
Yeah.
You like the slimy part of the egg?
Yeah.
Ah,
Mm.
okay. Oh, we're stuck. We're fishing out eggshells.
Excuse me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me come on this side.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to get the eggshells.
Why Jack Jack's? Why Jack Jack's sad?
Jack Jack is sad? Why is Jack Jack sad?
Because I don't.
When did you see Jack Jack?
it on TV?
Oh, you watched it on TV?
Yeah.
Did you watch it this weekend?
Yeah.
Emery?
It's so big.
So Anka is in the background playing with Emery.
Mm.
Oh, there's a shell. Hang on. Hold your horses.
Mom, I need a washcloth.
What did he do?
He stuck his hands in the fireplace.
Oh, nuts. Evelyn, time out for this, okay?
Why?
Because we need a timeout. Baby's got to get wiped down.
I
What
don't.
have you done? You silly baby. We don't play in the fireplace, sir. Did you put some in your mouth?
No.
No fireplace. Okay? Okay. All right. How we doing? Did we find any more shells?
No.
Let me check real quick before we mix any more in, okay? I think I saw something that might have been a shell. Yep,
see.
right there.
Get it.
Right there. I'm getting it. I'm getting it.
Got it.
Got it. Success. All right. Now, the last thing we got to put in is the flour. What does flour do? Do you know?
Flour. Go.
Here you go. Put it in the dish. Nope, nope, nope. Put it, whole thing. Just dump it in. Good job. Okay. All right. Now for this one.
Yeah.
Yep. Dump that one in.
This is so heavy.
Yep. Oh, I know it's so heavy. Good job. Okay. All right. Last thing we're gonna do. I think we got everything we need in there,
Yeah.
except for some nuts. We don't have any nuts in there.
Emery?
Do you want to put nuts in your banana bread?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got to take these out so I can hook them up. Okay.
Ooh.
Are you mixing it with your hands?
It's like sand.
It's like sand.
I
Are you mixing it with your hands? Oh wow. Okay.
I get one.
Oh, keep it over the bowl, please. Over the bowl, please. Put it back in.
Emery? No.
Is he going for the fire?
I'm about to block it off.
Hey, Daniel, he may not like the fur chesters. Why don't you put JJ back on for him? Can you please keep the flour in the bowl? Thank you. All of it needs to be in the bowl, okay? Do we want to put nuts in?
No, yet. I'm putting sugar in here.
Well, the flour needs to be in the dish. Can you do that? Can't reach. Really hate being short. Okay. So this bag has walnuts and pecans mixed together, which is going to be really
Look.
delicious. Oh, Evelyn, what is going on here? Okay, you got to stop with that, okay? Try and keep it in the bowl. Okay? Here, wipe up your mess, please. Okay. Try to keep it in the bowl, please.
I move this.
What are you going to do with it?
I dumped this in.
No, leave it right there, please.
What are you doing?
I am looking for the grater, the food processor pieces.
I do it.
I can't find the pieces.
I got it.
So we're just going to throw the nuts in whole. Oh,
Yes.
me. I see it now. I see it.
I will do it.
Okay, so what we do is we put that in first,
Okay.
and we're going to put the nuts in here.
I like this.
So you like nuts? Okay, so we're going to put those in.
Whoa.
Okay.
It's going everywhere.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy, isn't it? It's like it's just craziness. Walnuts.
Yeah.
Oh, this one is just walnuts. Oh, nope. They'll all go together in that big bowl, okay?
Got it.
Nope. Nope.
This I
Oh, I gotta find a plug. Hands off, please.
got it.
I will tell you when you can push, okay?
Okay.
All right, just let me hold on to the bottom. Okay, now you can push the silver thing on top. What's the silver? Wow, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. One more time. Amazing. You've done a fabulous job. Thank you.
Wow, so
All right, so
fast.
I'm gonna take the sharp piece out, and you can put all of that in here.
Wee.
Put all the nuts in. Good job. Look, you crushed all those up. All right, hands out. Hands out. Oh, did I scratch you? I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Yep, sorry about that. All right, hands out.
Ah.
Oh man, you're a mess.
I'm good. I gotta wash
All right.
myself.
Okay, keep that out of the bowl. All right, now,
I push
little
it.
hands. Nope, no, listen to me. Listen to me very carefully, okay? We're only gonna have one hand on the blender, or on the mixer, okay? Put your hands down. Okay, this hand stays here, down here, and holds onto the bowl. This hand holds onto the handle. Does not come off the handle, okay? I need the button, thank you. Okay, you're gonna hold the handle. Do not move your hands, okay? You're gonna stay right where I have them. You're helping, yeah. Look at you go. What do you think about this? No, not really. This isn't bad. I figured we'd have it everywhere. This isn't bad at all. Alright. Once we get it all mixed up and there's no more flour at the bottom, then we can turn off the mixer. Alright. And then we can pop out the beaters.
Yep.
And you and Emery can eat the beaters if you want. Here, tap them.
Put sugar in it.
It has sugar. You already put the sugar in. Yeah. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
It has sugar. I can taste it. Okay. So are you done helping with the banana bread?
Yep.
Okay. Wipe your hands. And I'll put it in the container and we'll get it in the oven. Okay. Say bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.
All right. Have a great day.